Assalomu alaykum aziz do'stlar. Navbatdagi 45-darsimizga xush kelibsiz. Tayyor bo'lsangiz, darsimizni boshladik. Davom etamiz. Tarjima qilamiz. Savol: sening qancha puling bor? Qancha? How much pul, money senda bor. Do you have? Sening qancha puling bor? How much money do you have? Savol: nega ular buni qilishadi? Nega? Why ular do they qilishadi buni? Do it. Nega ular buni qilishadi? Why do they do it? Men yangi mamlakatlar va shaharlarga tashrif buyurishni xohlayman. Men xohlayman. I want tashrif buyurishni. To visit yangi, new mamlakatlar. Countries va and shaharlarga. Shaharlar cities. Men yangi mamlakatlar va shaharlarga tashrif buyurishni xohlayman. I want to visit new countries and cities. O'g'il bolaga nisbatan u chet elda o'qiydi. U o'qiydi. He studies chet elda. Abroad. U chet elda o'qiydi. He studies abroad. Bizga mashinamiz yoqadi. Bizga yoqadi. We like mashinamiz. Our car. Bizga mashinamiz yoqadi. We like our car. Savol: nega siz ingliz tilini bu yerda o'rganasiz? Nega? Why siz do you o'rganasiz ingliz tilini? Learn English bu yerda here. Nega siz ingliz tilini bu yerda o'rganasiz? Why do you learn English here? Men buni har doim qilaman. Men I har doim always qilaman. Do buni it. Men buni har doim qilaman. I always do it. Savol: qaysi vaqtda sen odatda uyga kelasan? Qaysi vaqtda? What time sen do you odatda usually uyga kelasan? Come home. Qaysi vaqtda sen odatda uyga kelasan? What time do you usually come home? Menga bu narsa kerak. Menga kerak. I need bu narsa. This thing. Menga bu narsa kerak. I need this thing. Bizga bu joy yoqmaydi. Bizga yoqmaydi. We don't like Bu joy. This place. Bizga bu joy yoqmaydi. We don't like this place. So'zlarni qaytaramiz. How much money do you have? Why do they do it? I want to visit new countries and cities. He studies abroad. We like our car. Why do you learn English here? I always do it. What time do you usually come home? I need this thing. We don't like this place. Davom etamiz. Tarjima qilamiz. Men sayohat qilishni xohlayman. Men xohlayman. I want sayohat qilishni. To travel. Men sayohat qilishni xohlayman. I want to travel. Men buni qilishni xohlamayman. Men I xohlamayman. Don't want qilishni. To do buni it. Men buni qilishni xohlamayman. I don't want to do it. O'g'il bolaga nisbatan u boshqa mamlakatda yashashni xohlaydi. U xohlaydi. He wants yashashni. To live boshqa mamlakatda. In another country. U boshqa mamlakatda yashashni xohlaydi. He wants to live in another country. Qiz bolaga nisbatan u shu yerda yashashni xohlaydi. U xohlaydi. She wants yashashni. To live shu yerda. Here. U shu yerda yashashni xohlaydi. She wants to live here. Savol. Sen buni qanday qilasan? Qanday? How? Sen. Do you qilasan buni? Do it. Sen buni qanday qilasan? How do you do it? Savol. Bu o'g'il bolaga nisbatan uni qiziqtiradimi? Bu does it qiziqtiradimi? Interest uni him. Bu uni qiziqtiradimi? Does it interest him? Savol. Qaysi vaqtda o'g'il bolaga nisbatan u odatda senga qo'ng'iroq qiladi? Qaysi vaqtda? What time u does he odatda usually qo'ng'iroq qiladi senga? Call you. Qaysi vaqtda u odatda senga qo'ng'iroq qiladi? What time does he usually call you? Savol. Ular nimani boshqarishadi? Nimani? What? Ular. Do they boshqarishadi? Control. Ular nimani boshqarishadi? What do they control? Men tez-tez bu haqida o'ylayman. Men tez-tez I often o'ylayman. Think bu haqida. About it. Men tez-tez bu haqida o'ylayman. I often think about it. Men ko'ryapman, sen bu joyga tashrif buyurishni xohlaysan. Men ko'ryapman, I see, sen xohlaysan, you want, tashrif buyurishni, to visit, bu joyga, this place. Men ko'ryapman, sen bu joyga tashrif buyurishni xohlaysan. I see you want to visit this place. So'zlarni qaytaramiz. I want to travel. I don't want to do it. He wants to live in another country. She wants to live here. How do you do it? Does it interest him? What time does he usually call you? What do they control? I often think about it. I see you want to visit this place. Davom etamiz. Tarjima qilamiz. Bu haqiqatdan ham menga turtki beradi. Bu it haqiqatdan ham turtki beradi. Really motivates menga, me. Bu haqiqatdan ham menga turtki beradi. It really motivates me. Savol qiz bolaga nisbatan. U boshqa shaharda ishlaydimi? U does she ishlaydimi? Work boshqa shaharda. In another city. U boshqa shaharda ishlaydimi? Does she work in another city? Ular ingliz tilida gaplashmaydi. Ular they gaplashmaydi ingliz tilida. Don't speak English. Ular ingliz tilida gaplashmaydi. They don't speak English. Sen buni yaxshiroq bajarasan. Sen you bajarasan buni. Do it yaxshiroq. Better. Sen buni yaxshiroq bajarasan. You do it better. Men buni hozir tushunaman. Men tushunaman. I understand buni. It hozir. Now. Men buni hozir tushunaman. I understand it now. Men buni tushunishim kerak. Ya'ni menga kerak. I need tushunish. To understand buni. It. Men buni tushunishim kerak. I need to understand it. Menga bu mehmonxona yoqadi. Menga yoqadi. I like bu mehmonxona, this hotel. Menga bu mehmonxona yoqadi. I like this hotel. Men buni tushunmayman. Men I tushunmayman. Don't understand buni it. Men buni tushunmayman. I don't understand it. Men ko'ryapman, sizga haqiqatdan ham bu yoqadi. Men ko'ryapman, I see, sizga haqiqatdan ham yoqadi. You really like bu it. Men ko'ryapman, sizga haqiqatdan ham bu yoqadi. I see you really like it. Men apelsin sharbatini xohlayman. Men xohlayman. I want apelsin sharbatini. Orange juice. Men apelsin sharbatini xohlayman. I want orange juice. So'zlarni qaytaramiz. It really motivates me. Does she work in another city? They don't speak English. You do it better. I understand it now. I need to understand it. I like this hotel. I don't understand it. I see you really like it. I want orange juice. Davom etamiz. Tarjima qilamiz. O'g'il bolaga nisbatan unga bu kurs yoqadi. Unga yoqadi. He likes bu kurs. This course. Unga bu kurs yoqadi. He likes this course. O'g'il bolaga nisbatan u buni ko'rmaydi. U, he, ko'rmaydi. Doesn't see buni it. U buni ko'rmaydi. He doesn't see it. Men bu shaharga tashrif buyurishni xohlayman. Men xohlayman. I want tashrif buyurishni. To visit bu shaharga. This city. Men bu shaharga tashrif buyurishni xohlayman. I want to visit this city. Men u yerga borishni xohlamayman. Men I xohlamayman. Don't want borishni. To go u yerga. There. Men u yerga borishni xohlamayman. I don't want to go there. Menga bu fikr yoqadi. Menga yoqadi. I like bu fikr. This idea. Menga bu fikr yoqadi. I like this idea. Men ko'ryapman, sizda juda qiziqarli fikrlar bor. Men ko'ryapman. I see. Sizda bor. You have. Juda. Very. Qiziqarli. interesting fikrlar, ideas. Men ko'ryapman, sizda juda qiziqarli fikrlar bor. I see you have very interesting ideas. Qiz bolaga nisbatan uning juda qimmat kiyimlari bor. Ya'ni unda bor. She has juda qimmat. Very expensive kiyimlar. Clothes. Uning juda qimmat kiyimlari bor. She has very expensive clothes. Savol: qanchalik tez-tez sen televizor tomosha qilasan? Qanchalik tez-tez? How often sen do you tomosha qilasan? Watch televizor TV. Qanchalik tez-tez sen televizor tomosha qilasan? How often do you watch TV? Savol: o'g'il bolaga nisbatan u nimani eslaydi? Nimani? What u does he eslaydi? Remember. U nimani eslaydi? What does he remember? Men buni muntazam ravishda bajaraman. Men bajaraman. I do buni. It muntazam ravishda. Regularly. Men buni muntazam ravishda bajaraman. I do it regularly. So'zlarni qaytaramiz. He likes this course. He doesn't see it. I want to visit this city. I don't want to go there. I like this idea. I see you have very interesting ideas. She has very expensive clothes. How often do you watch TV? What does he remember? I do it regularly. Aziz do'stlar, navbatdagi 45-darsimiz o'z nihoyasiga yetdi. Barchangizga rahmat. Keyingi darslarda ko'rishguncha xayr.